Hello lovely people, welcome back to RBR Galeria. In this video we are going to draw Gargoyle, and for this first I have drawn the margin so that my picture doesn't come out of the margin, and next I have seen the picture and divided everything into shapes, basic shapes. First let us form any object. If at all you want to draw, first try to take out the basic shapes of that and then draw the fare it up into main picture. So for this I have taken we have divided this into ovals, circles and rectangles and triangles and all. So I have divided everything, and this in this way it has turned up. And after this I have started making out the picture into its form. But anyhow, this will be again faded up when we are doing with the pen. And for the first time I'm trying to do pen and ink art. So for this first I'm using my mechanical pencil to fade up the picture, and in this way, and see that you are drawing everything perfectly with this pen, because with this pencil, sorry, because if at all we do it wrong here itself, our main picture also will be wrong. So whatever you are doing, the rough work should be properly done. So I am forming all the shapes and all the shapes into the actual structures. And coming to gargoyles, what are gargoyles? Many of them, like even I too didn't know, but when I googled it, I just knew it. It is a carved human or animal faces. Basically they are used for water. They are used to project water from the gutters of the building, typically acting as spouts to carry water from the wall. Like I have to say, even more means like in our Indian temples we see some water output from the main temple, that is in the form of ox, say Nandi, or in the form of lion, so many forms. So it is basically that, and that is given as the name of gargoyle. In even it is given as the name as gargoyles. So now after fairing up, I have used 0.05 micron pen, and I started giving the outline. This will be the final outline what we are doing it, but we are doing it very lightly. 0.05 pen also we are using it very featherly touch, in a featherly touch. We are not going to put the complete pressure, and we are going to mark all the places where dark shades should be given and where the outlines where the light shades to be given. So we have marked everything. Now I'm giving the feathers. In the wings we have slight feathers which are in leaf shapes. I'm giving even that with 0.05 pen. Okay, in between I think you can listen to the music until I fire up this. I want to tell one more thing is, whatever object you are drawing, once again I am telling, just see that, look at the object into shapes. What are the shapes it is there, it is formed, and in that way you can draw any object easily. So this also I tried showing in the same way. And now once this is done, I'm going to take 0.1 pen, micron pen, and I'm going to give the final output of this. And once the outline is done with 0.05, I have erased all the pencil marks, and now you can see the clear picture of this. And now we are giving the shades. We are acting according to light and shadow. So we are going to give where the light is falling, we are going to give light shades over there, and in the dark areas we are going to give a little bit darkness. And this is the ornament of the gargoyle. This is basically an horse with wings. It's very cute, right? So give it in dark, and the eyes also are done a little bit of dark, because we have a light coming from the left side. And now we are going to give the dark like curves and all also we are going to form in the dark shades. This is the back leg where it has very dark shade, and now we are giving the curves and all. And the wings place, to give it a little bit 3D look, we are going to give the underneath of the feathers a little bit dark, and we are not going to touch the veins on the feathers and all, and we are going to dark only on one side, and there also we are giving cross hatching so that it looks a little bit dark. So I think you people like the video, and if you like it, please give a like and please share the video so that it will be useful for them, those who are really in need of drawing and who want to learn drawing, because I am showing everything in step by step. And here in the rock, given different directions, the lines, like say slanting lines and straight lines and all, to show the variation, and to show the darkness you can just show the cross hatching of that. And this is the background we are giving, just like a wall brick structure. So just check the video and try to do this, and you can try many more using this technique. So if at all you like it, please give a like and hit the bell icon and press the or click on the all button so that you can get all my videos, notifications of all my videos. And please subscribe the channel for many more interesting videos. Yeah, this is the way we are doing the window also over there, giving a little bit depth. So I hope you like this. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe the channel and enjoy drawing. Happy drawing.